These three platforms power 80% of business automations worldwide. With AI features now baked in, the gap between them is closing, but one stands out for AI-specific use cases. Zapier's Natural Language Automation Builder and AI by Zapier Step make it the easiest to add AI to any workflow. Its 7,000 plus app connections mean you can automate almost anything. Makes Visual Builder handles complex branching logic better than Zapier. Its AI modules let you chain multiple AI models together in sophisticated processing pipelines. n8n is open source and self-hostable. Its AI agent node and code capabilities make it the most powerful option for developers. The trade-off: steeper learning curve. n8n wins on price for heavy users. Zapier is cheapest for simple automations. Make offers the best operations per dollar ratio for complex workflows. Which automation platform do you use? Share your stack in the comments. Subscribe for the step-by-step tutorial building the same automation in all three platforms.